Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Selvoni and today we are going to talk about one of the most complicated relationships of my life. Me and my curls. For the longest time, I used to think that why curls and why me because I didn't know how to manage them. My hair was thin, frizzy, and I was confused like what to do with them actually. And the people around me would also tell me that curly hair don't look presentable. And one of my friend actually told me that you should straighten your hair more, and I listened to her because I thought that I'll look better. So I asked my parents to get me a straightener. They got me a straightener, and then that was it. So after COVID, I realized that my hair quality is becoming worse like every single day, and I should do something about it. Enough is enough. So people around me started noticing. It started showing in pictures as well. My mother was after my life that stop using that straightener. उसी की वजह से हो रहा है, and actually उसी की वजह से हो रहा था. Because of my insecurity, I just did not realize that in this process I'm just worsening my hair quality more and more, and rather than doing what is required to manage them, I was just kind of finding an escape and trying to fit in with everyone. So I decided to leave my hair alone for a few days and see what happens, and actually the hair quality became better. And that's when also started experimenting with a lot of products. So dermat recommendations, your Instagram recommendations, normal shampoos and conditioners that you get, and customized products also. So I have tried everything, and only a few things have worked for me, and I'm here to tell you what has work for me and my hair. Also, I want to say that not everything works for everyone. So first you should experiment and then decide if you want to use it or not, because it's not a it's not an easy journey, trust me. And I don't want you guys to be disheartened because managing curly hair is difficult and you might get frustrated also sometimes. But you know, it's okay. We all are in this journey and it's okay. So let's start. First up is the shampoo that has worked for me. So this might come as a surprise for you all because it's not some curly hair brand or some big brand. It's a normal, a simple shampoo that has worked for me, and it is Indulekha. Ah, yes, Indulekha has worked for me so well. This is their Bringa shampoo, and it is so light and it will not make your hair greasy, especially if you have like oily scalp. It will not make your hair greasy. It will let you retain your natural curls, which is great, and will not make your hair frizzy also. Okay guys, so now the star of my routine, and I swear by this product because it has literally changed how my hair looks and feels. And I get compliments, which is great, and I totally give the credit to this one. And it's this Moxie Beauty ultra hydrating conditioner. It's just amazing. You should definitely give it a shot because it will first of all nourish your hair. Give that moisture to the hair, which is actually very very necessary, especially if you are in a dry weather, or if you are heating your hair a lot like I did. This is chef's kiss, and you should definitely give this a shot, and totally 100% recommended to everyone who has curly hair. Third is scalp care. Scalp care for me is important because I live in Delhi, and Delhi water is not so great for your hair. There are a lot of impurities, and you need to take care of your scalp. That's like really necessary, otherwise there will be a lot of build up. So for that, to help me with any build up, or if my scalp gets oily, I use this Moxie dandruff detox pre-wash treatment. It is great. So you have to mix these both of these solutions and just like apply it before you shampoo your hair, and it actually works for me. I'm not sure if it will work for everyone, and it actually helps with flakiness, or if you have any kind of dandruff, it actually works very well for that. Okay, last but not the least, and I cannot emphasize enough on using this amazing product called a heat protectant. It's very important if you are using heat on your hair on a daily basis, or maybe occasionally, just apply this wherever you are uh, heating your hair or using straightener, curler, whatever. Otherwise, you will end up drying your hair and they will not look nice. So just use one. What I use is the Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. This one. So I've not experimented with a lot of heat protectants, but this is the one that I'm using, and it has worked for me till now. And it actually does not like affect, like let the heat affect the quality of your hair, which is perfect. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is curl cream and hair serums. Curl creams have not worked for me. I have tried the one which Moxie offers, and I've tried this one also, curl defining cream by Curl Up, and you can see पूरा pack रखा हुआ है मेरे पास, because it doesn't suit me at all. मेरे hair बहुत ज़्यादा greasy हो जाते हैं. I know it weighs my hair down, which I don't like at all. So I've stopped using it. So I'm not sure that if this will work for someone who has softer curls like me. If you have tight curls and you need a curl cream, then go for it, but I don't need it, so I don't use it. I use the Biolage serum though. I don't have it right now because I've broken the cap, so I've poured it into a smaller bottle, but here it is. And I'll also link all the products down, so you can just go and check it out as well. But that has really worked for me. It smells really well, and also it works in all the weather. It will not weigh your hair down, which is the perfect thing, and it will not make your hair greasy as well. So you can give that a shot if you're concerned about greasy hair or oily scalp, all those things. In my journey of managing my curls, I have just learned one thing, that just let your hair be, you know, and they will look beautiful once you just let them be. If you are also struggling with curly hair, just don't give up. Be patient. Give your hair space, leave them alone, and just see magic happens. Let me know if any of these products work for you in the comments, and if you are using any other products that might help our fellow curly girlies. Okay, ta-da!